In Nigeria, rape carries life imprisonment, but many people still misunderstand what legally amounts to rape. Under Section 357 of the Criminal Code, rape occurs when a man has unlawful carnal knowledge of a woman without her consent. Now, carnal knowledge here means sex. But under the Violence Against Persons Prohibition Act, the definition is wider. Rape under that act occurs where a person intentionally penetrates the vagina, anus, or mouth of another person without consent. Yes, I said mouth. Consent must be voluntary and informed. It is not consent if it is obtained by force, threat, fear, deception, or when the person is unconscious or intoxicated. Silence is not consent. A previous relationship is not automatic consent. In states that have adopted the VAPP Act, the law is gender neutral. It means a male can be raped, a female can be raped. Under Nigerian law, consent is everything. What should the victim do immediately the person is raped? If rape occurs, the first few hours are critical. What you do immediately can determine whether the case succeeds in court or not. First, ensure your immediate safety. Second, report to the nearest police station as soon as possible. Third, go to a government hospital for medical examination. If possible, and I say if possible, avoid bathing, washing, or changing clothes before medical examination. Make sure you preserve clothing and any evidence. The earlier medical evidence is collected, the stronger the case becomes. Delay can weaken prosecution. Now, what must the prosecution prove to get a conviction in a rape case? In Nigeria, an accusation alone is not enough. The prosecution must prove specific legal elements before a court can convict. They must prove beyond reasonable doubt. 1. That penetration occurred. 2. That there was no consent. 3. That the accused person committed the act. And 4. That the act was intentional. If any of these elements is not proven, the court must acquit. Now, that is the standard of criminal justice in Nigeria. Now, what punishments await a person who commits rape? In Nigeria, rape is one of the serious criminal offenses we have. Under criminal code, rape can attract life imprisonment. Under Violence Against Persons Prohibition Act, punishment may also include life imprisonment and compensation to the victim. Where the victim is a child, the punishment is even more severe. The law treats rape as a grave offense because of its devastating impact on the society. Now, on a closing note, rape under Nigerian law is not about assumptions. It is about absence of consent. If you want a clear explanation of what Nigerian law truly says, follow this page. Make sure you like, you share, and you comment. Thank you.